I can't believe we've made it this far of my YouTube journey without making a single pasta dish. Considering I was raised eating pasta dishes, it seems a bit surprising to me. So today I'm making a super quick, high-protein, creamy chicken and leek orzo. Now, before the YouTube police get onto me, I've Googled it. Orzo is a type of pasta, despite it being the shape of a rice. Who knows? Anyway, you'll probably let me know in the comment if you disagree anyway. So we're looking at about 38 grams of protein with about 338 calories per serving. Anyway, that's enough talk. Let's get into it. So here's your shopping list. Quite straightforward, really. You could use any other pasta, but to be honest with you, Orzo is really good. So to start off, we're going to trim the top off the leek, and then we're going to split the leek down the middle from root to tip. Then we're going to chop the leek quite thinly. We want it to be quite small, in little mouth-sized pieces to match the size of the orzo or the pasta. And then, importantly, you must wash your leeks before you use them. In this case, because we're going to be frying our leeks, we need to dry them as well. So once you've washed your leek, leave them to drain while you prepare the other ingredients. Add your olive oil to a nice hot pan. And to this pan, we are going to fry our chicken breasts. I'm using diced chicken breast, but you could use strips. Just make sure that you cook the chicken all the way through thoroughly before you add the rest of the ingredients. Once your chicken's cooked, just pop it on a plate and leave it to the side for a moment. Bring a pan of cold water up to the boil, add plenty of salt and a little sprinkling of olive oil. Put the lid on and wait for it to come to the boil. When the water starts boiling, we want to drop in our orzo, giving it a good stir to make sure that none of the pasta sticks together or clumps up at the bottom of the pan. Cook this as per the cooking instructions on the packet. Does pasta shape really matter that much? I know when it comes to coating with sauces, certain pastas coat better than others, but do you have a favourite pasta? Let me know in the comments below. Heat up another frying pan and add olive oil. Then the washed dried leeks, and saute these off until they become slightly soft. This should take about 2 or 3 minutes. Next, throw in the cooked chicken from before, and give this another good stir. Now the drained orzo, and again, give this a good stir. Next, we add the cream cheese, and again, we give this a good stir. Now, it should look very, very thick at this point, because we've got nothing to thin out the cream cheese as yet, which is why we kept the pasta water back. Now, here we go, a little bit at a time, and add that pasta water in and cook it out. This will help thin down your sauce and make it stretch out a little bit further. And it also helps make the sauce a creamy texture, despite the fact we're not actually putting any cream in. Check your seasoning, and give it another stir and a little cook out for a few minutes. Now, personally, I think it's a very big serving. This is supposed to serve 4 people. To be honest with you, you'd probably get away with serving 6. Top it off with some Parmesan cheese and a little swirl of olive oil, and you're away. Not gonna lie, I ate some of this for the video, but in fairness, I ended up finishing up the whole plate, even though I wasn't actually that hungry because it tasted so damn good. There you have it, a creamy pasta dish, which is under 350 calories with 38 grams of protein. Perfect pasta dish, took 30 minutes to make. It's one of the quickest and most versatile that you can do. You can add extra veggies to it, you can add different meats. So not only is it delicious, but it's also quick. So if you thought this was pasta perfection, hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure that you stay up to date with all of my recipes as soon as they come available. Just like this one here. Check it out.